So next we are going to deal with consistent and inconsistent system of equation. Are you familiar with the word system of equation? System of equation means there will be more than one equations. If suppose I am taking an equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. There is only an equation. How many variables are there? X and y, isn't it? To solve for x and y, if one equation is given, we are not able to solve for x and y. If there are two variables, we require two equations. So I can write another equation as 5x plus 9y is equal to minus 7. So now this is a pair of linear equation in two variables that you have studied in 10th standard. So this type of equations are called a system of equations. More than one equations will be there and we have to solve for x and y. Okay. Again, we are going to apply the matrix method to solve for or to find the value of x and y here. If I am taking another equation 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 2, how many variables are there in this equation? 1, 2, 3. So how many equations we require to complete a system of equations? There must be 3 equations. So I can take the next equation as, and the third one as x plus z is equal to 9. Okay, so this is again a pair of, not a pair, sorry, a system of linear equations. And there are 3 variables and we have to find the value of x, y and z using matrix method. Okay, and how we will write this? If I am taking this system of linear equation, 2x plus, I am rewriting it again, 2x plus 3y equal to 1 and 5x plus 9y is equal to minus 7. I can write it in matrix form. I am writing A as the coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix means we will be writing the coefficient of x and y. So the first row becomes 2, 3. I took in the order x and y. So here also I have to take in the same order x and y. The coefficient of x and y is 5 and 9. So A is the matrix 2, 3, 5, 9. In this case, in the second example which we took as linear equation, system of linear equation, can you say what will be A? We will always represent the coefficient matrix by A. What will be the matrix? Or at least can you say what is the order of the matrix? Since there are 3 variables, it will be of order 2. Here there are only 2 variables, so it will be of order 2, and here as there are 3 variables, its order will be 3. And A will be equal to 2, 3, 7, coefficient of x, y, z. In the second case also, second equation also, we have to take the coefficient in the same order x, y and z. So which are the coefficients? 5, 7 and minus 1. And what about the third row? In the same order, x, y, z. Coefficient of x is 1. We are not able to identify y, isn't it? So the coefficient will be 0 and the coefficient of z is again 1. So this will be a coefficient matrix. Again, the next one is the variable matrix. What we have to, how we will represent as x. This x is always a column matrix. Write the variables. Here there are only 2 variables x and y. So this will be column matrix x, y. Okay, in this case, can you say what is x? How many variables are there in the equation? X, y and z. So capital X will be x, y and z in column. Okay, again there is one more matrix we have to write. So again we have B. How I wrote B is by writing a column matrix the constants of the given equation. So it is 1 minus 7. But beware that the constant must be on the right side. So we express the given system of linear equation as 3 matrix A, X and B. Can you relate A, X and B with the equation? If I multiply A and X, Ax equal to, just multiply 2 into X, 2X plus 3Y, isn't it? So if I am writing Ax will be 2x plus 3y. Okay, that will be a matrix again. Again, what about the second row? 5x plus 9y. 5x plus 9y. That is the left side I am getting as Ax. The left side of the given equation. Equal to, right side we have already took the constant as B. So if I am writing as 1 minus 7. And if I compare these two matrices, what I get is 2x plus 3y equal to 1. Which is our first equation, and 5x plus 9y equal to minus 7, which is our second equation. So we can express the system of linear equation as Ax equal to B, provided A is the coefficient matrix, X is the variable matrix and B is the constant matrix. If I am taking A in order, variables in order x and y, every row must be of order. The coefficient must be of order x and y. Okay, X will be always a column matrix. How many variables are there? Write it in column matrix. and B is the constant matrix, and you have to write the constant after taking the constants to the right side of the equation. Okay, so the system of linear equation can be written as Ax equal to B. And if the question is to find the value of x and y, or to solve this equation means we have to find the value of x and y. Now, as we converted it into a matrix, our question is to find the value of capital X. Okay, and we have the relation Ax equal to B. So if I multiply left side with A inverse, I will get A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into B. And what is A inverse into X? A inverse into Ax equal to I into X, which is equal to A inverse into B. I into X is the same as X is equal to A inverse B. So if to find the value of X, that means the matrix X, what the formula is, it is A inverse into B, where A inverse is the inverse of A, which is found by calculating at J by dit A. So if a system of linear equation is given, to find the variable x, y or x, y and z, the formula is X is equal to A inverse B. This happens only when determinant of A not equal to 0. Why? Because A inverse, the formula is at J by dit A, isn't it? At J by dit A into B. That is actually the formula. If dit A happens to be 0, we cannot able to proceed further. So, X is equal to A inverse B provided A not equal to 0. That means A is non-singular. Okay. A system of equation is said to be consistent. A system of equation is said to be consistent if it has one or more solution. If it has one or more solution, it means I told X is actually the value of the variable X and Y. If X and Y are having values, one or more variables, then the system of equation is said to be consistent. Okay. Otherwise, if it has no solution, the system is said to be inconsistent. Okay, so consistent system means the system has a solution, has one or more solution, and inconsistent system means it has no solution.